Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how you can see your history in TikTok, namely comments, views, as well as likes. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. To do this, you will need to go to TikTok on your devices. Then you will need to go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Then in the upper right corner, click on the three bars, Settings and Privacy. Here we click on Activity Center. Next we have a download like this. And now we'll be able to see your comment history, your browsing history, and your search history. The first thing we can see is our browsing history. So these are all the videos that I've seen on TikTok. Yeah, I've been scrolling through them, so we have this history here. We can also see the story in the comments that were here. Unfortunately, I don't have it. And we can also see more search history. We can see all of this in our TikTok profile in our account. If you helped and liked this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Like it. Thank you all very much for watching. See you again. Goodbye.